Oh my word, Aaron, that is all hail. Look at that. Look at that. This is crazy. And yeah, we are still getting hail. And the look out there. Oh my God, the drain, it must be clogged. Look at that. Is it clogged? No, it's going down. That there's like too much water. Oh my gosh, here comes the thunder. Listen to that roll. Wow. And we're still getting hail. Look at this out here. Wow. You would love it here at the moment. Look at my gutter. Look at that clog. Can you believe it? Those idiots didn't clean it out properly. Oh well, it happens. My poor flowers. They're taking a beating, that's for sure. Oop, here comes more thunder. That was like right above me. Oh, I love to listen to thunder roll. Well, that little downpour slowed down a bit. No more hail at the moment. You can still see it there. Look at that. All that white stuff, that's hail. So awesome. But the parking lot is a river. And yes, I'm standing in my doorway freezing my butt off because, yeah, it is cold here. It's been down in the 40s lately at night and barely reaching above the 50s during the day. So it's cold right now. I'm freezing. Of course, you know I get cold easy. I have poor blood circulation. Yes, poor little me. But oh my gosh, look over there. It's flooded. Look at that. They have to walk through a mud puddle. What do you know? I am so glad my site is a little higher, so I don't have to walk through all that. Wow. That is just crazy, and it extends over there. Oh, and the rain's starting to come down more. All right, uploading this. Oh, one last thunder. If it comes. Love it.